Hello everyone and welcome. This time you caught me you caught me. This time I'm just taking a break. I've been very busy around the house, but it's been pretty boring work. Didn't make a lot of videos and decided I was just going to just do the work and not film it. I'll show you everything that was done when I go downstairs after I finish my break. Part of it was done by me. No, sorry. Most of it was done by me, and parts of it were done by my wife. And yeah, it was a really pleasant few days working here, not having to go to work, doing a bit of manual labor in my own time, fixing what I could, doing other stuff around here. The yard looks good with the earth removed, so I'm very happy. It's no longer a stress factor. I can rightfully say that just looking over it just makes me feel calm, relaxed, not a care in the world. Even though we're far from finishing this big project called the house, it feels like we're getting there and we're making progress. Alright, I'm gonna stop the video right here and I will show you when I go downstairs what's been done around the yard. Not much, but tiny little things, each in their own little easy step by step. Though I can tell you they were pretty time consuming. Alright, enough. I'm gonna switch the cameras when I get down. Okay, so this area is almost finished. All that's left is now the cement pour. All the rocks are in place and they are very stable apparently. I can easily climb all over them. My wife painted the well. There's also a mechanism that lowers the bucket into the well, but that is separate and needs to be renovated as well. We got rid of the big pile of dirt. Big pile of rotten wood. Okay, and I fixed the fence. No longer is it a patchwork. Apparently there was almost nothing wrong with it. And the railing is done, but that was done before. And various cleanup jobs. Oh yeah, I cleaned that fence over there a little bit. And cleared the alleyway down to the other entrance to the yard. As you can see, there aren't that many more rocks out of place. Another pass is still required, and I'll be doing that later on, as well as be fixing those gates over there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next update. And hey, if you like all these videos, please subscribe. And I'm trying to keep these shorter because people don't seem to be enjoying my long form videos. Alright, see you guys later.